So in my last video I showed you how I made a rain irrigation system using a gutter. Today I'm going to show you how I made my own rain catcher for water storage for later use in the garden. As you can see, it's just a 32-gallon trash barrel. First, what I'll show you is the hardware that I used to make everything. This is in the top side hole. We have a hose clamp, brass male to female fitting. Everything's 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch. Washers 1 inch to fit over the threads, and a nylon hose barb, which I'll show you all these in a minute. Same thing for the bottom, with a washer, a male to male adapter, another washer, and an O-ring to get a good seal. And of course, this is the inlet spigot. Okay, so now I'll show you how I've installed everything. First, what I'd like to show you too is the lid. I noticed did not have a good seal, so what I did is I applied some foam tape around the edge so that it would have a nice seal to help keep the mosquitoes away. Okay. Then we have the adapter and the downspout that helps to channel the rain into the hose and down into the barrel through here. Here we have new hose adapter connector. We have a brass fitting with the washer, and on the inside is the nylon hose barb, which have threads on the inside here that go through and into the brass fitting. Now down here is, if you can see that, is the male to male adapter brass fitting that's on the inside nearest the washer, with a plastic garden hose barb adapter. And then on the outside we have another one of the male to female brass fittings with the washer and the inlet spigot. Everything's 3/4 inch threading, which is adaptable to a garden hose. And here I have the garden hose and a wand sprayer to put on the end of the hose. And that's pretty much it. Ready for the next rain.